We have so much on offer at this absolutely gorgeous character home sitting in beautiful Three Kings Mount Roskill. You've got Big King Reserve right in your view line from your own living room. And well, the rest of the views, they will absolutely take your breath away. We've got 4 bedrooms in the main home. We've got a double garage and an additional granny flat. So extended family, au pair, there's so much space on offer here. Welcome to 14 Dowley Terrace in Mount Roskill.